Welcome to EEZBOOK. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for users. If you already have a login ID, simply proceed to the Go to EEZBOOK tab. Click to Control Panel. Click to Setup. Click to Module-wise Setup. To select HRM Setup, go to Employee Information. To select Employee Detail. Displayed below is an extensive rundown of employee details, encompassing pertinent information such as names, positions, contact information, and any other relevant data. Should you wish to modify any of these details, simply navigate to the designated Edit tab. This feature allows for seamless customization, enabling adjustments tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Click to Update Employee. To access the details for the Employee TR, please click on the Employee TR tab. First, the user will enter the new employee's joining date for the job. Following that, they will select the preferred payment method. Begin by selecting the Chart of Accounts option. Next, navigate to the Treasury section. Then, proceed to the Budget category. Finally, select the appropriate option under the Project tab. After completing the previous steps, click on the Next tab to proceed further. Please provide the new employee's basic salary and allowances. Click to Next tab. The user is required to input various details for the new employee, including non-employee benefits, annual benefits, retirement benefits, other benefits, deductions, and tax deductions. These details are crucial for accurately configuring the employee's compensation package and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. Click on Add New Labor TR and follow the same procedure as for Employee TR. First, add the joining date, then select the payment schedule, followed by entering the basic salary and bonuses. Afterward, proceed to select the next tab. The user needs to input various details for the new Labor TR, including non-employee benefits, annual benefits, retirement benefits, other benefits, deductions, and tax deductions. These details are essential for configuring the labor's compensation package accurately and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. To add the new employee's basic information, including personal, residential, education, and experience details, please navigate to the relevant sections and input the required information accordingly. Click to Save Profile. If the user wants to add new employee, then click to New Employee tab. To set up a new employee, begin by selecting the Employee option. Then choose the department, designation, and grade level. Following that, select the line managers, both Line Manager 1 and Line Manager 2, as well as the Head of Department, HOD. Lastly,